Okay, it's Monday, the 10th of March, and we're getting spoiled a little bit with these temperatures. Now, I know it's kind of hard to see, but Pennsylvania outline. Here's New Jersey and Delaware down here. But here in central PA, temperatures are almost 20 degrees or more above normal. This is tomorrow's temperatures. And then just around the temperatures are 15 to 20 degrees above normal. So, quite a warm day tomorrow going to be coming across the state. What it would translate to, let's see if I can do this. It would translate to, well, there you go. It would translate to temperatures into the 60s for almost everybody. And there's some cold air that's going to seep down from the north as we go through the night. But it's only going to create what is, here comes the temperatures back up on Wednesday. It's just going to hold them down a little bit. But, Pittsburgh down this way towards Philly, temperatures will climb to 60. But the nighttime lows will be chilly, and that's the thing to keep in mind. We're not done with freezing temperatures. Now, here's Thursday. The heat comes back a little bit, or the warmth comes back a little bit. And I thought it was going to cool off in midweek, but it depends on where you're at. Here's Friday, and it's kind of like a backdoor cold front keeps temperatures in eastern PA in the 50s. Western PA gets into the 60s. Um, we do have no precipitation at that time. It's just that cold temperatures coming across. Now, there's a little bit of rain that tries to come across the state on Saturday, and you can see it is quite little. But Sunday looks like it could be a washout. This is Sunday morning around 8 a.m. and takes you into the afternoon around 2. Eastern PA, it's still raining. It does dry out Western PA in the afternoon before this all moves off the coast in the evening. So I wanted to show you that's that for the weekend, just so you know. I mean, Saturday will be a very nice day. If you're going outside on Saturday, here's Saturday. Let's move this to Saturday. There you go. Here's Saturday. You can see mid 60s or 70 out by Pittsburgh, mid 60s in Philadelphia and Harrisburg, South Jersey and Delaware. It's just this area up to the north here. Again, it's like a backdoor cold front, keeping temperatures down into the 50s. But that's about the worst thing now. What we're looking at ahead in the long term. Now I'm just going to show you some highlights of things that I'm looking at now. This is temperatures on Friday. You can see there's kind of a back front cold front here that comes in and cools part of the state down. But if you look through here, you see there's very warm temperatures in the central part of the United States, and dry. That makes for a lot of heat, to which we probably can expect this summer. Just going to roll through how the temperatures. Just remember all these blues and reds and these colors up here below normal. And these right through here, temperatures are a little cooler. The yellows are always warmer. So just watch this thing roll out. You'll see this is around the 16th. It kind of cooled a little bit. Nighttime lows, I'm telling you, some people still get some temperatures below freezing. Here's the temperatures trying to rebound around the 17th. But what I'm trying to going to show you is there's two cold fronts that are going to come down. Look at this. Look at this heat up on the east side of the. This is the 19th. There's your cold front right here, bringing cold air down all the way into Texas, all the way into Pennsylvania. Now it's just a short-lived cold front. Kind of gets down on to the 21st in the morning, but then you'll see it starts to retreat basically on the 22nd. The back side of it still stays cold. Here's the 23rd, 24th. Now, cold is like 50s, okay? Not 20s, okay? And then you got to watch this kind of take shape out here. This is what's going to make for below normal temperatures at the end of the month into April. As this thing slowly cranks and starts to move, you can see here's your yellows in Pennsylvania and down here along the coast. And this thing's going to push all the way down into Florida. You'll see it here's pushing down. This takes you out to the 26th. Not saying temperatures are going to be cold. I said daytime highs 40s, 50s, nighttime lows. Some places can get below freezing, especially higher elevations. Snow wise, there's nothing to really write home about. Between now and see, Nothing to get crazy about. It looks like it's going to be all up towards New York, and there's a storm that's going to come up through the central part of the United States. It's going to literally make like a blizzard up here, in towards Minnesota and stuff like that up that way. So they're going to expecting some heavier snows up there. But all this is going to go north because we're all in the warmer temperatures down here. So that's kind of the bad news for the snow lovers and good news for the people that like spring. But yeah, just keep in mind that from the end of the month through the first couple of weeks of April, we'll probably trend a little bit below normal, with some nights being, especially in the higher elevations, being below freezing. All right, everybody, take care, be safe.